this is my Dem Bones presentation by Audrey E. So the conditions of the skeleton. The person's femur was found by a dog who dug up the femur in a state forest. The skeleton was found with only half of the pelvic bone, with the femur detached by the dog. There were no remnants of clothes or any personal belongings, and no signs of disturbance. The body had also been there for a while. So the gender was determined by the pelvis and the skull in the next slide. So all the features of the female pelvis apply to the pelvis that we found in the state forest. So according to the shape of the pelvis, the sex of this individual is female. This is the skull, and most of the results came out to be female. So I went by quantity and chose that this is a female. So the supraorbital ridge is slender, the occipital protuberance is prominent, the mastoid process is short, the mandible is V-shaped. So by using the skull, the results came out to be mostly female. This is the height estimation using the femur. The length of the femur was 47 inches. So the range of the estimated height put into the female's equation came out to be 166.47 to 173.91 centimeters. So this is approximately 5'4" to 5'5". The ethnicity was determined by the skull, and from examining the skull, I identified this woman as an African woman because of the rectangular shaped orbits compared to Asian or European skulls. Along with the wider nasal aperture and flatter nasal bridge, the prognathism also tends to protrude from the face, which is also in this skull found. So the conclusion. This person was concluded to be a female of 5'4" to 5'5" in height, and also seemed to have died a peaceful death because of no serious damage caused to the bones. The individual was concluded to be a female because of clues found in the skull and the hip bone found. Also, by using the skull, the individual was discovered to be an African. Both the skull and the hip had mostly feminine features, so undoubtedly the person was a female. She seemed to have died a while back because of the fact that there were no personal remnants, such as clothes or any signs of disturbance. These are my my pictures from activity 2. And this is my bibliography.